avatars are blowing up everywhere,
building massive audiences and generating real revenue.
and making it possible for anybody to get started without being on camera. In this video, I'm walking you through the exact process on how to create a realistic talking AI avatar completely from scratch. Okay, so to generate our first image of our avatar, we're going to be using the master JSON prompt generator that I have made. That is basically going to allow you to go back and forth with ChatGPT in order to master and build a brand identity around your avatar. You'll find this prompt in our free Telegram group. This is going to form every aspect of how your avatar looks and make sure that it does not look like every other influencer that has fake AI skin. So you want to grab the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. You want to make sure to copy the entire thing as it is very long and paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. Now it's going to ask us to fill out these questions below, so you want to make sure to properly describe how you want your avatar to look. So I will just quickly fill this out. Once you have finished answering all the questions, you will get a JSON prompt, so you will copy the entire prompt and you'll head to an image generator. For this example, I'll be using OpenArt. Once you're inside OpenArt, you want to paste your prompt in the chat box. You want to make sure to use one of these two models. I'll be going with the newer version. Then you want to select the aspect ratio to be 16:9 and hit generate. Now, to make a talking AI avatar, what we need to do is we need to place our avatar in a talking style environment. So this could be in a podcast studio or a recording studio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our community and I'm going to copy the entire prompt, which is going to allow us to basically create a podcast style image of our avatar. You want to paste the prompt in the chat and you want to use the image that we just created as a reference image. This is going to allow us to create a realistic AI talking avatar. So I'm going to hit generate and let's wait for it to finish generating. As you can see, using our reference image and the prompt that we just used, we created a super good image and the image is done. This is a perfect image for creating realistic AI talking headshot videos. By the way, if you want to use this prompt to create a super realistic image of your avatar in a talking podcast studio environment, I will leave it up on the screen so you can take a screenshot of it and use it yourself. Alright, so the image we just created is perfect. It's close up to the face, which is going to allow the video model to properly lip sync what we want the avatar to say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the image that we just created. Alright, so after creating our image of our avatar in a podcast style environment, you want to download the image. What you want to do is you want to head to the main page and go to the video section. Inside here, you want to choose the lip sync model and you want to paste in the reference image that we just made. The current model selected is the OpenArt lip sync model and we want to change this to the Kling avatar model and use the pro version, of course. So for the prompt, you want it to say this: the speaker sits anchored in a stable posture and keeps their gaze directed on camera, talking to the camera. The background remains completely still and unchanged. Hyper-realistic, sharp focus on the eyes, consistent facial features. So the last step is to upload an audio file of what you want your avatar to say. For this, I'll be using ElevenLabs, and all you need to do is choose a voice and what you want them to say. So for this purpose, I want my avatar to say, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic talking AI avatar. And then you just want to upload the audio file and hit generate.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic talking AI avatar.
If you like the idea of an AI influencer and are serious about it, you should check out our Avatar Launch community. We help you build a
Powerful brand using AI avatars. Inside, we don't just teach you how to create a digital twin. We show you how to monetize them without needing millions of followers and how to use AI to generate content 100 times faster than any human could.
If this sounds interesting, you should join our free Telegram group and check out our training video pinned in the description.